every morning.
Let me out, please!
Hell no!
Why? Please!
You gotta bring it down here.
I'm going to rip your balls off. See this guy right here?
Yeah.
He's going up your rectum.
I escaped by Alonso. Oh my days, she's genuinely a monster. Oh my days, I hate customs, bro. I just want to go to South Africa. Oh my days, bro. I hate passport control, bro. Wait, is that Dad? Dad, is that you?
Sonny boy, how you doing?
You left for the milk 67,000 years ago. 167 joke. Shut up, listen to me. Hey! No! Dad! Last time I saw you, you were diddling a plot! It's been so long! Dad, no! No! Not again! I guess I just gotta follow in his footsteps and diddle some plants. Oh, come on, now I'm surrounded by clankers.
Hey, you can't go with that. It's 2026.
I'm a
Flesh meat.
That how horribly racist of you. I am a living being other than you, you stinky clanker!
Go somewhere else, fleshbag.
Please, just let me go back to my hometown, Iswatini. Sure. You don't even need to show me a passport because of how black you are. Now, how incredibly racist. Next.
Hey, pal.
Hey, give me your passport.
Alright.
Okay, you're all good.
Alright, thanks, man.
Next. Get out of my airport! Get out of my airport, it will be you that I will deport! Get out of my airport, it'll be you that I will deport! Oh my day! Next.
Hello.
Out of my way, clanker! Hi. Yeah, can I please, like go to South Africa? This is not how an airport works. You're supposed to plan ahead.
But I want it now!
Salutations, my lizards.
Oh! Sir, you can't push in. Yeah! You can't push in. You know. Come here.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie V8.
Okay, take my passport. Let me check it real quick. Yeah, you're good to go. Thank you, good sir.
What? Why is there such a long line? You have to be kidding me. Why?
Where is Godzilla?
He left.
Don't you lie to me. There you are. I'm gonna cut your jawline off.
No! No! No, please! Oh, 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 oh! No, no! Oh, 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 oh!
Godzilla! I don't care how long it takes. I'll walk and swim to South Africa. But once I get there, I will rip your balls off. See this little guy right here? He will go up your rectum and bite you on the inside.